grab your journals and write lesson 18. Okay, then I need you to go get 6 pieces of paper, colored or not colored, whatever you want. 6 pieces of paper and a pen or pencil or marker. Okay, we have this rectangle. This is one whole rectangle, right? All right. We need to share it with 2 people. So 2 people get an equal part of the paper. How would we do that? Can you draw a line? Can you see if you can make it equal? Just the best you can. Okay, I split it like this. You can split it like this. You can split it like this. But so you have 2 equal pieces. Okay, now you're gonna write on the bottom. We split it into 2 pieces, right? 2 equal pieces, the best we could. Mine aren't perfect, but the best we could. Now, this piece is one of the 2, right? So we're gonna write 1 with a line and then 2. This is a half of the whole paper, right? This is 1 piece of 2 pieces. Same thing on this side. This is 1 of 2 pieces. Awesome. Okay, now let's get another piece of paper. Okay, now we have 3 people we need to share it with. We need to break it up. Yeah, break it up into 3 equal pieces. Okay, can you see if you can break it up into 3 equal pieces? Okay, here's how I did it. Does yours look like mine? Yours might look a little bit different as long as you have 3 equal pieces. Okay, so what goes on the bottom of our fraction? How many pieces did we break it up into? 3. Okay, now how much are each of these pieces? Are they 1 of the 3? 1/3, 1/3, and 1/3, right? This is 1 of 3 pieces. 1 of 3 pieces and 1 of 3 pieces. All right, good. Okay, grab another piece of paper. Now, there's 4. We need to break this into 4 pieces. Can you break it into 4 equal pieces? This is how I did mine. Did you do yours like mine, or did you do yours a little differently? Now, if there's 4 pieces, what goes on the bottom of our fraction? A 4. Yep, so let's write a 4 in all of our pieces on the bottom of our fraction. Now, how many pieces is this? 1. So let's write 1s on the top of all of our fractions. Okay, so we have 1/4 here, 1/4 here, 1/4 here, and 1/4 here, because it's 1 of 4 pieces. Okay, flip it over. Flip this paper, flip it over on the other side. How could we draw 4 equal pieces but a little bit differently? Is there another way we could draw it? Let's see if we can. See if you can. I did mine like that. How much are each of these pieces? How many did we break it into? 4. And how much are each of the pieces? 1. 1 of the 4, right? Awesome. Okay, grab a new piece of paper. All right. On this one, I want you to draw a big circle. Like this. Okay, so there's our big circle. This is our hole. Now, we need to break it up into two pieces, two equal pieces. How are you going to break up yours? I'm going to break up mine like that. Okay, here's our hole. It's a different shape, but it's still our hole. How many pieces did we break it into? 2. So that goes on the bottom of each of our fractions, right? How many is this? How many pieces is this? 1. So this is one of 2 pieces, and this is one of 2 pieces, or this is a half, and this is a half. Okay, grab another piece of paper, draw another circle. We need to get 3 pieces out of it, 3 equal pieces. Can you draw 3 equal pieces? Does yours look something like that? Okay, how many pieces did we break it into? 3. So that goes on the bottom of our fraction. How many is each of these pieces? 1. 1 of the 3, or 1/3. Okay, let's draw one more circle. Can we draw one more circle? Okay, here we go. Let's break it into 4 equal pieces. Okay. What are each of our fractions going to say? Can you write them in your pieces? One-fourth, right? Because each of our pieces is one of the 4, or 1/4. All right, nice job. These papers keep in your math binder because we might use them again, or just to look at, okay? Okay, now what I need you to go get. I need you to go get this. This bin with the measuring cups. Pause me and go grab them. Okay, did you get them? Okay, let's open them up. Okay, so here we have them. Now, I want you to get the 1 cup measuring cup. You get the 1 cup measuring cup? Okay, now what I want you to do is we are going to see how many, now get the 1/4 measuring cup. Get the 1/4, and if you'll notice it has a fraction on there. It says 1/4 cup. I don't know if you can see that in the video, but look on there. It says 1/4 cup. Okay, let's measure it out. How many of these 1/4 equal this full one? Can you do it? Can you measure it out? How many? 4, right? 4 1/4 equal 1 whole, right? 4 1/4 equal 1 whole, just like on our pictures that we drew. 4 1/4 equal the whole. 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome. Okay. Now, I want you to pause me after you get your 1/3 cup. It says it on there. 1/3. How many 1/3 cups equal a cup? Pause me and see how many. Is it 3? Did you get 3? Just like on our picture, right? 3 1/3 equal 1 whole. It can be on a rectangle. It can be on a circle. It can be when measuring stuff, right? Okay, now get your half cup measuring cup. How many half cups equal 1 cup? Pause me and see if you can figure it out. Did you figure it out? 2, right? 2. Okay, now I want you to write this down in your journal. Can you get your journal out? I want you to write down how many 1/4 equal 1 whole. Do you remember how many it is? 4, right? 4. Okay, good. Okay, now I want you to grab the, actually no, we're gonna keep doing this. Okay, I want you to see how many 1/4 cups equal a half a cup. Pause me and figure it out. How many? 2, right? 2. Okay. Now what I want you to do is I want you to get these out. These are I just want you to get the teaspoons. The teaspoons are 1 TSP. And I want you to get the 1/4 TSP and the 1/2 TSP. This is teaspoon. So this is 1 teaspoon. This is 1/4 of a teaspoon and 1/2 of a teaspoon. Okay. How many 1/4 teaspoons are in 1 teaspoon? Measure it out. Pause me. How many is it? 4, right? Because always 4 1/4 equal 1 whole. No matter what we're measuring, huh? Okay, now how many 1/2 teaspoons are in a teaspoon? Measure it out. Pause me. 2, right? Awesome. Okay, you are done with this lesson. You can kind of measure some things out. You can see how many teaspoons are in a half a cup. You can kind of just, measure it and kind of play with it and then put everything back where you found it. And you don't need to have anybody check this lesson, but what you need to do is, do you remember what we wrote down in your journal? So have another kid, show another kid what you wrote down in your journal, okay? And then they'll initial off your paper. Okay, have fun.